And now what we're going to do is learn how to make some pages for our WordPress website. So what I want you to do is hover over pages on the left-hand side and then click on add new. So creating a page is really easy. All you're going to do is just type in the name of the page right here. So we're going to make a home page. So I'll just type in home right there. And we're going to come back down here and select some options in a little bit. And then we're going to edit and customize the page with the Elementor page builder in a little bit. But what I want to do right now is just create all the pages that we're going to have for our WordPress website. So once you type in your title for the first page, go ahead and click on publish right here. And once the page is published, we're going to create a few more pages together, and I'm going to speed this up just a little bit just to save some time. But go ahead and create whatever pages that you want. So all you have to do is click on add new and just type in the name of the pages right here and then click on publish. And we'll create another page right here. So I'll type in blog and then click publish. And we'll just create two more pages. So click on add new and we can type in services right here and click publish. And then we'll create one more. So I'll just do add new one more time and create a contact page. And then click publish right here. And if you want to see all of your pages, what you can do is hover over pages and click on all pages. And you should see a list of all your pages right here. And you should see a sample page right here. And this is made by default when you install WordPress. So if you want, you can click on trash right here to delete this. And now you just have a few pages right here. So now we have all of our pages for our WordPress website, and you can always go and create some additional pages or change the pages right here. And we're going to come back to this page a little bit later and customize some of these. But now what I want to do is just move on to the next step,